Brr! Is this actually Iowa, or do I actually live in the south of France? Welcome back to the workshop. I've come up with an amazing idea. But is having two diesel heaters turbo power or just double trouble? Let's find out. So Vivor kindly sent me for review this 5 kilowatt vertical unit and it broke. So I repaired it by putting on a new controller, a new motherboard, and come over with me and I'll show you the best thing that you need to do to your diesel heater. And that's fit a hard-walled fuel pipe. The fuel pump actually injects the fuel into the burner. It does it by pressure, and the fuel pipe that comes with these heaters is flexible, so absorbing those pulses. But a hard-walled fuel pipe should deliver those pulses into the burn unit and maybe be a bit more secure. So let's turn them both on and see if I get turbo power or double trouble. A lot of people have asked me about this. This is an exterior door, and at the bottom of the door the exhaust pipes goes out into the garden. They're not running off 12-volt battery, they're running off my built power supply. And it's only 15 amps. So it's very important to start one heater at a time, not both, or else you will get double trouble. They draw their maximum power when they're starting up. The glow plug, the pump, and just heating the whole unit up. But when they're running, that power, that amperage drops, and then you can start the second one. Now they're both running, but this is the critical and spinning part. Will they quit and you get the dreaded white smoke, or will you get 10 kilowatts output, heating up my wonderful workshop to what I think will be a toasty south of France temperature? Yeah, it works. Of course, this is very much dedicated to me just because I happen to have a free diesel heater and one that I purchased. And even the free one broke and I had to pay money to fix it. But if you want turbo power and not wanting double trouble, you can run two diesel heaters side by side. But my advice is, start one of them up before the second. Enjoy your diesel heater, share ideas and tips. Because of you, the truth is out there.